Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can take your WordPress site offline. So let's get right into it. Now, there are a couple of different ways. Some of them I can show you, some of them I can't, but I'll be doing my best to explain the ones that I can't in as great detail as possible so that you guys can get it. Now, what you can do first is you can go into plugins and go into the marketplace, and you can search for a maintenance mode plugin to put your site in maintenance mode. So for example, if I just type in maintenance, it should give me some of these plugins which you can test out. If one of them works for you, you can enter your site into maintenance mode using them, and then that would do your job pretty much for you. Now, I'll go over into an article to show you guys one other method, and I can't use this because I don't have access to the function PHP file, but if you do, you can go into functions PHP, and you can do that by just going to, well, this is for hosting or posting, but pretty much all you have to do is just go into functions PHP, depending on how you can get to it, and then just add this code to the bottom of it. Of course, you can customize this here message if you want to, but that is completely up to you. And then once you save, this is pretty much what it will look like. You can just remove this code if you want to disable it, and your site will be back up. Now, for the final two methods, which I can use and which I like the most, you can go into settings, and you need to go into reading. And once you're here, you need to go into site visibility, click on manage your privacy settings, and here you have your privacy. Now, what you can do is you can set your site to private, which will take it offline for anybody who is not an approved member of the site. It'll be visible to logged in members that you can only approve. Everyone else will see a login screen, so you can do that. Other than that, you can put it into coming soon mode, which will just display a coming soon notice until the site is ready for viewing, and that is pretty much it. Another option is you can discourage search engines from indexing the site. However, if people still have the link to this site, it'll still be accessible, so I would not recommend this, but you can do it if you want to. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you put it up and publish it, there is no way to unpublish it, but there are ways that you can circumvent that and show something else. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.